My name is Lily. I am 32 years old. I live a quiet life in Chicago. I work as a receptionist at a luxury hotel. My days are long but simple. I live alone in a small apartment my parents left me before they died. I had a sister, Emma. She moved out 1 month after our parents' funeral. Since that day, I never heard from her again. I missed her. I missed my family. I felt alone. Until one night, everything changed. The phone rang. An unknown number. I hesitated, but I answered. A trembling voice whispered my name. Sarah? My heart raced. I asked, "Who is this?" The voice cracked, sobbing. Sarah? It's me, your sister, Emma. My eyes went wide. My chest tightened. Emma, is that really you? But she screamed. You need to come. Save me. He will kill me. Please, Sarah. Hurry, I don't have much time. He will come back again. My hands shook. My voice trembled. Where are you? I don't know where you live. West Loop, she whispered. West Loop? An hour away by train. She begged me, just come. I dropped everything. I rushed out. By the time I reached her building, apartment 4B, the door was half open. Emma, I called. Silence. Then light flickered from the bedroom. I pushed the door, and there she was, my sister, lying unconscious. I froze. My heart pounded in my ears. I called 911. The ambulance arrived fast. Hours later, she woke up. I was sitting beside her bed. Her eyes were wide, afraid. I barely recognized her. She grabbed my hand, sobbing. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I hushed her. It's okay. You're safe now. I took her home. For days, I cared for her like a mother. But soon, things changed. She never asked about me or the 5 years we lost. She only asked about my job, my money, my apartment. She felt like a stranger in my home. One evening, she saw my Chanel perfume bottle on my dresser. Her eyes widened. How can you afford this? It's almost $8,000. I told her it was a gift from my fiancé, Kevin. The next morning, the perfume was gone. I grew uneasy. Later, I gently suggested that maybe, since she felt better, she should go back to her life. But her face twisted with anger. She screamed, Stop pretending. This apartment was from our parents. It belongs to me too. I will live here as long as I want. Then she stormed off. I called Kevin. I told him everything. He said firmly, The mortgage was in your name. Tell her to leave or I'll call the police. But I couldn't. She was my blood, my sister. Still, things only got worse. One night, I woke for water. I heard her voice. She was on the phone. I listened from the hallway. Her words froze me in place. Don't worry, I'll get rid of that stupid girl soon. She's so easy to trap. Her kindness will cost her life. And then her laugh, cold, cruel. I rushed back to my room. My hands shook. My breath was heavy. The next morning, she sat at the table, smiling like nothing happened. But I knew something was wrong. She wore my clothes, my jewelry, my perfume. She was taking over my life piece by piece. I needed proof. The next evening, I set up hidden cameras, recording devices. But that night, it was too late. She banged on my door, screaming. Her voice cracked with terror. "Sarah, please, come out. He's here. He'll kill me." My heart raced. I called the police. I rushed out. But the house was empty, silent. "Emma," I whispered. Then I realized it wasn't her voice. It was a recording. And before I could move, she was behind me. Her arm wrapped around my neck, a knife pressed to my throat. Her breath was cold against my ear. "You are too kind. That's your weakness. I'll kill you. Take your wealth. Take the apartment. Everything." My knees shook. My chest burned. But she didn't know I had already called the police. The sirens echoed outside. She panicked. Before she could run, she slashed my shoulder. I screamed. The door burst open. Police stormed in. Shots fired. They hit her leg. She collapsed. Emma was arrested, and I survived. Now, I live alone again in my apartment. Kevin stood by me through everything. My wound healed, but the scar remains. And so does the question, was Emma ever truly my sister, or was she always a stranger waiting to destroy me?